Pollution. Have you ever thought about the water you drink and whether or not it's clean? Do you know what the word pollution means or how it happens? Well, you're in luck because today we are going to talk about water pollution, where it comes from and how you can help prevent it. Let's start with an example of what water pollution is. Imagine you're really thirsty and someone hands you 2 jars of water. In the first jar, you have water poured straight out of the sealed water bottle. And the second jar, you have water collected from the rain gutter outside. This jar is filled with plastic, dirt and other garbage. Which one will you drink? I bet you pick the first jar, right? Because the water in the second is definitely dirty and polluted. Water pollution is becoming a huge problem, which is why it's important to prevent it whenever we can. So strap into your water raft because here we go. What is water pollution? To put it simply, water pollution is dirty, unsafe water. Sometimes, water pollution by large pieces of trash we can see. Other times, it contaminated by invisible chemicals unseen by the naked eye. Polluted water can be used for drinking because it contains chemical or other germs that can make you sick.
Water is a basic resource that guarantees the life of all living beings on the planet. However, its scarcity and pollution cause millions of people to have poor access. Humans are the main cause of water pollution, which is triggered in many ways. By the dumping of industrial waste due to the temperature rise that causes the alteration of water by reducing the oxygen in its composition, or due to deforestation, which causes sediments and bacteria to appear under the soil. In the same way, the pesticide in agriculture fields filter through underground channels and reach the consumption networks, and also as a result of accidental spillage of oil. Firstly, plastic is not biodegradable. As compared to organic waste, it takes hundreds of years to decompose. But if the quantity of swallowed plastic is small, then it will not be a problem. Our body pushes out the material which it cannot digest might occur if the quantity of swallowed plastic is large. Our body will not be able to push it out. It will stain our gut and might partially prevent further food digestion. In extreme cases, this may also prove to be fatal. Also, many plastics are chemical-laden. These chemicals are commonly known as plugs. They used to make plastic more flexible, transparent, hard to break. Plugs are extremely harmful to our body. They can damage our liver, kidneys, lungs, and reproductive systems. Why are fish and turtles are eating plastic? Every year, about 8 million metric tons of plastic are dumped into our ocean. There are more plastic than planktons, which are a source of food for many fish. Fish eats plastic because it breaks down into smaller fragments which are similar to the size of plankton. The plastic fragments present in salty seas, they release odor similar to that given off by the plankton. Fish mistakenly assume the plastic fragments to be plankton. As a result, many of them die.
Effect of water pollution. Water pollution has several consequences for the environment, human health, and economic stability. What is the effect of water pollution? The effect of water pollution are environmental damage, human health risk, economic impact, food chain contamination, global issues, and plastic pollution. Environmental damage, aquatic ecosystem destruction. Pollutants like chemicals, plastics, and oil kill fish, plants, and other aquatic life disrupting ecosystem. Human health risks. Toxic exposure, heavy metals and industrial chemicals in water lead to long-term health issues like cancer, organ damage, and neurological disorders. Economic impact. Reduced livelihoods, polluted water, harms industry like fishing and tourism. Food chain contamination. Pollutants accumulate in fish and seafood, entering the food chain and impacting humans and animal health. Global issues. Climate impact. Polluted water sources release methane and other greenhouse gases, exacerbating global warming. Plastic pollution. The reduce of domestic plastic used for food, such as jellyfish, and gas-stream plastics can block their digestive system, causing starvation or internal injuries.
Hello everyone, I'm Alia, and today I will show you few ways to reduce water pollution. Let's get started. First thing first, proper disposal of chemicals. We need to avoid pouring hazardous substances like paints, oils, or medication down the drain. Why? Because these chemicals can contaminate water systems, harming aquatic life and making water unsafe for drinking and other uses. Instead, dispose of them at designated hazardous waste collection sites to ensure they are handled properly. Secondly, conserve water. Implement water-saving techniques like fixing leaks, taking shorter showers, and using water-efficient appliances. Why is this important? Because the less water we use, the less wastewater is generated. This reduces the strain on sewage treatment plants and lowers the chance of untreated water polluting natural water sources. Thirdly, proper waste disposal. Always ensure trash is disposed of correctly and recycled when possible. Litter that ends up in waterways can harm marine animals and disrupt our ecosystems. For example, plastic waste is often mistaken for food by aquatic animals, which can be fatal. Proper waste disposal prevents these problems. Next, maintain vehicles. Regularly service your car to prevent oil leaks and washing at commercial car washes where water is treated. Washing your car on your driveway allows dirty water, oils, and chemicals to flow into storm drains, which often lead directly to rivers and streams. By taking these steps, we can stop pollutants from reaching our water system. We can also use fertilizers sparingly. Apply fertilizers and pesticides in moderation and consider organic alternatives. Why? Because when it rains, excess chemicals from over-fertilized soil can run off into nearby water bodies, leading to algae blooms. These blooms deplete oxygen in the water, killing fish and other aquatic life. Using less fertilizer helps maintain a balanced ecosystem. Lastly, we can also participate in cleanup activities. Engage in or organize community cleanup events to remove litter from rivers, lakes, and beaches. This is crucial because trash, especially plastics, pollutes water and endangers wildlife. Cleanup activities also raise awareness in the community and encourage more people to take action.